to Calgary.
Welcome to snowy Calgary.
Welcome to snowy Calgary,
Grabe.
Pam. This is it.
Mga 12 inches, 1 foot na yung snow na yun. Ano talaga, mataas na oh.
Yeah.
Buti na
Pero
lang.
lumabas pa rin ang Alba Fam Bam.
Siyempre. Support to our brother and sister. And of course, birthday ni Tita
Mo?
Monet.
Teta
Yeah.
Monet. Oh, wow.
That's a good sim.
Yes, it is.
mas malubha to love kaysa compared sa kagabi.
Ah.
Manipis pa yung kagabi. Parang kaya na normal ba? Ito makapal na talaga. So ito naman yung prediction, right?
Yep.
Ito naman yung prediction.
For today's
We're not the only on that house. Is it through the wall?
Sa YMCA tayo, correct?
Yep.
Tapos binublow, oh. Grabe, oh.
Look at that. Laagan, Alba Fam Bam.
Why?
Yeah,
Why
laagan.
is that in the road?
Yeah, you look at that, kuya, oh. Those are snow.
That's
Yeah.
Yeah. You see?
It's blowing. Wow. Galing. Tapos, tingnan mo, meron talagang naka-clear, oh.
Oo nga eh.
Meron talagang clear. Tapos yung sa side niya, naka-ano, snow na snow. So, syempre, yung mga dinadaanan lang ng sasakyan, yun lang yun, ano.
Clear na, clear na.
Yun lang yung clear. Alright. Para makadaan.
So, anong masasabi mo, Daddy? Tama bang lumipat ng Calgary?
Yan, parang isang video yan kailangan.
I
Isang
love
video.
Calgary.
Sabi ni Davon na I love Calgary. Pero isang video to.
Yeah.
Kailangan natin mag-reflect ata dito. Lipat na tayong Toronto. Toronto naman, Toronto. Benta yung bahay dito. Tapos bili tayo sa Toronto. Grabe oh. Wow. Look at that.
So, they're the one who's doing the clearance? I think so.
no idea.
I think so. Ah, yes,
Yeah.
Kuya. They're the
Ayan,
one,
ayan yung
look.
cleaners, kuya oh.
They're cleaning up the road.
Ayan.